There are two main things happening when someone is arrested for a DUI. First is the criminal case that's being prosecuted in the Superior Court in the area where the arrest took place. The second thing is the license suspension, which is an administrative suspension through the Department of Motor Vehicles. For some people, the administrative suspension of their license is actually worse than having an arrest for a DUI. The administrative suspension requires, in most instances, that a person cannot drive for 45 days. They may be able to get a work permit or school permit, and that after that time, they need to get an interlock device for their vehicle for a certain period of time, again, depending on the circumstances. There are ways a person can appeal their administrative suspension of their license. And in order to do that, I would recommend that they consult a lawyer, because the facts that need to be proven to suspend someone's license administratively through the Department of Motor Vehicles may be a different set of facts that are involved in the criminal case in Superior Court. I tell people, take the breathalyzer. That's the number one question I get. If I get pulled over in a DUI, should I take the breathalyzer? The way that the laws are set up in Connecticut, that refusal to take the breathalyzer is a much more severe penalty than failing the breathalyzer is. At least when it comes to your license suspension, it's a more severe penalty through the Department of Motor Vehicles with your license suspension. Now, if you're involved in a motor vehicle collision and there's alcohol involved, then it may be in your interest to not take the breathalyzer. At that point, you should consult with a lawyer before making any decisions.